Celebrity deaths, Cameron Boyce. From rumor to reality.
I remember that! I sent the article to our group chat and I was like, Cam died, I guess. Like, oh wow, good to know from Twitter.
Cameron, are you alive? What?
Yeah, oh yeah, didn't I? I was like, did you die? What happened? You died without telling us like that?
Sa interview na yun, napag-usapan at napagtawanan nila na may rumor, na may chismis na namatay siya. And after a while, namatay nga siya. At 20 years old. Si Cameron ay kilala sa kanyang role sa Descendants at Jessie. Noong July 6, 2019, natagpuan siyang unresponsive sa kanyang bahay and was pronounced dead. In-announce na kanyang pamilya na namatay siya during his sleep dahil sa epileptic seizure. He was diagnosed before with epilepsy and he was having treatments for it. The night na namatay siya, he had dinner with his parents, ka-text niya ang mga ito, pero later that night, pumanaw siya. Nakakatakot rin ang kamatayan kasi you never know kung oras mo na. Rest in peace, Cameron Boyce. Kung hindi siya pumanaw, he would have been 25 years old kahapon. Yesterday was his birthday.